What's up guys, AJ here with EcoFlow, and today we're going to be unboxing the River 2 Max. So before we get started, right here we have the regular River 2, brand new, and I just love the size of this one. It's so portable, so easy to bring around. We have right here, we have two USB-A's, we have a USB-C, we have a DC port right here, and we have two AC plugs on here as well. And this is 256 kilowatt hours, which is perfect for charging your phone, charging your laptop, drone, camera batteries, all things like that. This is money right here. Super awesome for camping, being portable. I really love this unit right here. So I haven't had a look yet at the Max, so let's get that and let's start unboxing here. Give that a slice and pop this baby open. All right, we got a little foam action here, nice and protected. So first we got the little quick start guide. You got all of your information here. We'll set that aside. And we're also gonna take this boy out. And got a little more stuff in here. And there we are. So here we are. We got the Max unit right here. We're gonna set this aside and go through all the cords and little things here. First, get that out of here. So in the box right here, we have your AC charging cable, we have your DC cable, and we also have your car charger cable. Everything you need is in here, so very important. Keep that on hand. And let's get this in the shot here. Oh, this looks sick. I really like the size of this one too. As you can see, here, I'll move these cords out of the way. As you can see, the size comparison here between the regular and the Max, definitely a lot beefier, a lot bigger. We'll look at the cables here as well too. All the connections. We got your USB-A here, one USB-C. We've got your DC outlets here, and 4 AC ports, which is awesome. This one, like I said, only has the 2, and you get a couple USB-A ports as well in here too. So, oh, we gotta get the best part of the video right here. We gotta get this screen off. That's good stuff right there. That's good stuff. So as far as things that you can power, like I said, everything portable. You can take these up to the mountains, take these on an adventure, go camping, charge all your drones, camera batteries, everything like that. You can charge, obviously with the bigger unit, you can charge more things, more power. An awesome thing that EcoFlow did this year with the new generations is they made them 30% lighter, and they're even cheaper than the previous models as well. So the River 2 is $239. The Max is $469, and the River 2 Pro model that we don't have on hand right now starts at $599. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in because since the filming of this video, we did get the R2 Pro in. Here, let me show you some specs here. So here's a bit of a size comparison with all 3 models. We've got the River 2, we've got the Max, and we've got the Pro right here. And a little bit more information. You can charge your laptop up to 3.5 times. 6.5 times, and over 10 times with the Max. So that just gives you a little bit more of an understanding of the capacity of all 3 of these models. I also want to show you guys how to pair your River 2 to the EcoFlow app. So we're just going to open the app up here and press add new. And it is currently searching for a device, so we're just going to turn on the new Pro, and boom, it's already locating it right here. And just give that a tap, and you're going to connect it to your Wi-Fi. And it's just going to do a quick little setup here. And bam! Device connected, and just hit done. And now you're able to turn on all of your ports. You can see all of the input and output, see your time left, and then you can change a bunch of settings in here as well too. And super helpful. Definitely recommend that. Another huge upgrade that we made to the River 2 series is the fast charging. These things charge blazingly fast. The base model goes 0 to 100% in only 60 minutes, which is insane. And another crazy thing is that if you use these guys once a day, the lifespan of them is over 10 years plus. Additionally, flipping these over, we got our charging ports in the back here. These are our AC chargers. And then these right here are solar chargers as well as our car chargers. So that's something that's super awesome about these batteries, that personally, what I'm super excited about using them for is I do a lot of traveling and photography and van life as well. So having it paired with one of these solar panels is gonna be super awesome. When I'm out on the road, I'll be able to charge up anywhere, anytime, which is amazing. I can charge all my gear, all my batteries on the go, which is fantastic. What's even crazier is that this is way lighter than any of my camera gear, which is just, it's mind-blowing to me. This one is super light as well too. And that'll do it for our unboxing. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and can't wait to keep on exploring with you guys. Peace.